Alright, let me show you something real quick. If you're selling a $10 product, you need 1000 sales to make it of 10k. But if you are selling a $1000 product, you just need a simple $1000 product and you could sell it to just 100 people and you can get there. Same internet, same people, same effort, just working different results with easy money. And that's why most creators still stay broke because they sell cheap and they stay cheap. Most traders believe that they need more followers to get richer, to get more money, but they are completely wrong. And that's why they price their chain offers or anything like that at $7, maybe $20, in hopes of getting more sales and more recommendations to other people. But here's the math nobody likes to do. $10 into 1000 sales will give you only $10,000. But on the other hand, $1000 product with just 10 sales could get you to 10,000 much more faster. And what do you think? Which is better? Working with 10 clients and then getting to 10,000 or working with 1,000 clients just to get to 10,000? Exactly, you got my point. And here's the painful truth. Most creators don't even have the audience to pull out 1,000 customers because the conversion rates are very low. So you need to get millions of people so just to make 1,000 sales. So it's still not relevant on that note. This is where most creators are stuck. They sell cheap, then they need to post more, they need more volume, more sales, and this causes burnout, and they are still broke. And it goes like in a hamster wheel, going endlessly, working hard, but still not getting it to anywhere. Then they arrive at the most successful conclusion of all the entrepreneurs. They blame algorithm, they blame the reach, when really the problem isn't the followers or the reach or the algorithm. The main problem is their offer design. But they don't understand it. More followers does not equals money, but a better offer definitely is. And trust me on this, I have seen people with 100k followers making far more less than a guy with 1000 or 10,000 one. So it's all about the offer design and not your audience size. Here's the real path to scaling greater income. It's just 3 steps. Let me show you. Step 1. Shift the product tier. Stop making $10 ebooks your main offer. Think mid tier or high tier, some $100 to $500 or $1,000 to $3,000 offers, which will lead you to make less sales but still make more money with less effort. The higher the tier, the fewer the sales you will need to change your life. It's that easy. Step 2. Increase perceived value. It's only about packaging. The better you package your product, the better you can sell it for. Not about writing a 200-page guide. It's about writing 20 pages, which still feels premium and still feels like we have saved someone 200 or 2000 hours of their own life. Positioning scarcity, that's what people pay you for. Step 3. Sell systems, not information. Information is completely free. You could get any amount of information on any topic on YouTube, and you don't even need to pay for that. So why would people buy your information? So start selling systems, shortcuts, outcomes, and not just information. No one will buy your hours. People will buy for speed. People will pay you to ease their work. Now I know what you're thinking. You think if I charge more, no one will buy. But here's the truth. When you sell cheap, you attract people who don't even use what they buy. But when you sell premium, people pay you for results. They want results. And they will definitely give attention to what you sell or what you do with their money. Tell me, which audience would you build your business around? The one who buy and not even use what you sell, or the ones who buy and get desperate for results and then they could also give words of mouth referrals, so you can get more sales with less effort. So if you're a creator and want to stop selling cheap, just rethink about your pricing, offers, and packaging. Multiply your income by not posting more but making better offers and serving less customers. And if you want to see how I create offers for businesses or creators, just check this video right here and it will help you.